Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to this new video. And in this video we are going to talk about the very basic steps of how you can create YouTube videos to make money online without ever showing your face or even without using your own voice. So for example, I am making the videos without showing my face because I value my time. So I do not have time to edit videos and do all that crap to make it fancy, to make it look lusty. I'm here only to give you hardcore knowledge, which you must have seen in the beginning of this video, right? So this channel, TubeCore, is all about casual videos and hardcore knowledge. So in this video, we will tell you the tips and tricks and how to start making YouTube videos, even if you do not know how to face camera, or even if you can't speak English, or even if you don't have any fluency, whatever the problem is, you don't want to speak yourself, or you don't want to come to camera. So whatever the problem is, you can still be a YouTuber, you can still have a successful YouTube channel. And we are going to go through all the things we're going to talk about step by step. So before we start the video, make sure, let's go through the disclaimer first. Our disclaimer is right here. So please watch this video till the end, because these are knowledgeable videos, okay? So I'm not here to waste your time or my time. So if you are not going to watch the video till the end, you will not understand anything what I'm talking about, right? So stick to the video till the end. Second is, this channel is only about pure knowledge, no editing, no nothing, no upload, no just talk, just deliver your words, give the knowledge and move on. So just a phone, laptop and action, okay? And the topic today we're going to cover is niches, scripts, voiceovers, visuals, copyright, free videos, Fiverr, CPM, etc. So let's start with the first topic, which is niche, okay? Now, in order to start your YouTube channel, the very first thing you need to be, have in your mind, or have chosen already, or be clear about, is what niche you are going to approach. Are you going to approach any business niche, finance, make money online, or weight loss, or travel, or meditation, or something else, something unique maybe, right? Now, first, you need to figure out what is your niche. Now, once you know what's your niche, then the next thing is, and I'm talking about those people who do not want to come on camera, or who do not want to use their own voice for some reason, okay? So this particular video is for those people. So let's say you have decided to choose what is your niche. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to find the script, okay? So let's say you are into a travel niche, or you are into make money online niche, or you're into weight loss niche, right? So you want to teach people how to lose weight, but you do not know what to say. So in that case, you will need to find script. Script is something like few words which you can use in a software, in a voiceover, which can turn that text, that script into voice for you. So you can find that script from several ways. You can go on to some Google articles, and you can rewrite those articles in your own words, or you can passphrase them using some software. We will discuss all that in the coming videos. Right now in this video, we are only giving a brief how to go step by step. And in next videos, we will do that practically, that which software to use, which website to go on and everything. So first thing, choose niche, then find a script, find the theory, find the theoretical material related to your niche, maybe an article, or maybe some other, maybe write it yourself, or outsource it to Fiverr. If you outsource it, you will have to spend some money. But we are going to tell you that you can go to Google, get some article, and then paraphrase it or rewrite the article in your own words, so that you don't have to spend money in the beginning, okay? Right, so we got two things covered. We got niche covered, we got your script covered. Third thing you're going to need is the voiceover, okay? Because you need to turn that speech, you need to turn that text into a speech, because you're not going to use your own voice. You want a professional voice, somebody speaking, like a foreign English, in native English. But anyways, so yes, you will need a software. Now what I can recommend is you can actually test out this software. The link is in the description. This is a text to speech software, and you will have like 20 choices there to change the voices for your text. So you can check out this software, which is there in the description below, but it's definitely going to cost you. So if you can afford, you can buy. Otherwise, I'll cover this in the next video. So after this voiceover software, the next thing you need is some visuals, some photos or some videos, and those photos and videos should be copyright free. That means that you are allowed to use those videos and those photos without any copyright issues. So in the next video, we are going to talk about and show you which websites you can use to get those videos and pictures, and how to actually use them to create a faceless YouTube video without you speaking anything, without you showing your face. So we'll practically cover all those things in the coming videos. Right now we're only talking about theoretically how to go step by step. And for example, I'll show you one channel here. If you look at the screen, so this is a channel which has got 14.9 million subscribers, the richest, and this channel has got no faces, just pictures, videos. And let's say if you play this video, they're only using some pictures and voiceovers, and there's no particular person who is coming to talk to you, and still they're making tons of money. So let's say we go to this website Social Blade, and we use their username here on the top right, and then search for the statistics. So you see they are actually making 22,000 a month and $264,000 per year. This is an estimate from Social Blade, and then you can scroll down and you can see this is how much they're making per day. Okay, so this is an estimate amount, like a couple of $100s per day is not bad, right? But they got almost 15 million subscribers, and you maybe are starting this round, you don't have any subscriber, you have very less, right? So again, in this case, you have to choose what is your niche. That's most important. Then you'll have to choose the right keywords, long tail keywords, because if you choose those common keywords, you will stand no chance of ranking in YouTube. Okay, so the smart people, what they do is they go the lazy way. So you don't have to be a rabbit, you have to be a tortoise. Go slow but go steady. So maybe you get 10 views, 20 views, 50 views per day, but make sure you get those views. So there's no point having wasted 2 hours of your time in drafting and publishing a video, but nobody watches that video, my friend, right? So it's better to spend half an hour on a video and publish the video, and at least 50 people are going to watch it. So that's the smart work you do, right? So that is why this channel is focused about casual video editing, casual video uploads, no fancy things, no editing, no nothing, no that bullshit. Maybe what's gonna happen is, if you don't make fancy videos, if you were supposed to get 500 subscribers, if you make casual videos, you might get only 200 subscribers, or maybe even 15, right? But that saves you a hell lot of time. So if I'm making this video, it's only costing the time I'm speaking here. It's not consuming my time of editing the software, the video and all that. And make sure you keep things less complicated. When you are doing videos on YouTube, you need more and more and more videos, more content. And that means you have to have time. And time, how would you find, is by reducing this editing work. So just make simple casual videos. I will show you practically how you can do that. And for now, let me see if we have to cover anything else. I think we do. We need to cover the CPM, I think, the last one. Now, CPM is actually the cost per mile, or in lame language, you can say how much money you are going to make in 1,000 views. Okay, so it depends from niches to niches. If you talk about, I think, travel and entertainment niches, you're going to make only like $2 for 1,000 views. And where you talk about other niches like business, finance, cryptocurrency, technical channels, so these channels makes at least like $20 for 1,000 views. Okay, so first identify what is your skill set, what are your interests, what is your knowledge. If you are passionate about traveling or weight loss or make money online or business or cryptocurrency or something else, whatever your expertise is, you'll have to start that channel. Because if you have expertise in, let's say weight loss, and you start something in make money online or in some cryptocurrency, so that's not your knowledge, because then you will lose your interest, you will run out of topics. So your interest is weight loss because you have knowledge in that, so you need to focus on creating a weight loss channel, even though the weight loss channel gives you less less money for views. But in the long run, you can do a lot of things. You can do affiliate marketing, you can do branding, and once your channel grows, you will be able to make a lot of money with any niche. However, in the beginning, the only suggestion is that start with your interest. If you are good with weight loss, if you're good with cooking, then start a cooking channel. If you're good with teaching, then start a teaching channel. If you're good with technical part, you start a technical channel. So this is how you need to start taking the steps. Again, this channel is not about how we give you some software which can make you rich, but this channel is about giving you ideas, tools, knowledge, skill, which you will need to implement in your personal life, in your personal time, in your personal, using your personal talent, and then it is up to you how you make that money. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in the end, do subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.